Welcome to the George Brown College Library Learning Commons. This tutorial will show you how to find and locate books using library search. First, go to the George Brown College Library homepage at www.georgebrown.ca/library-learning-commons. For today's example, we know the exact title and the author of the book we're looking for. Today I'll be looking for a book titled Canadian Community as Partner, Theory and Multidisciplinary Practice. In the search bar, you can begin by entering the full title or by entering words from the title and putting the author's last name in the search box. For example, when you're finished, press search. Our search results for this title show several different records. This is because we have different editions of the book. If you want to filter your results to only look at the physical books in the library, go to the left-hand side where it says Refine Your Results and go down to Limit to Exclude. Put a little tick in the box for In Library and then click Apply Filters. Now you will just see the physical books we have in our collection. On our results page, we are going to look at the third search result. Click on the book title to view the full details. Remember to sign in if you want to place a hold on a book. The Available At line shows the call number of the book's location and the name of the library location where the book is located. Underneath Location Items, you can see the loan period. The loan period is the length of time the book can be borrowed for. If you'd like to place a hold on a book, underneath Get It Request, you can click Reserve this item. Here you can enter your preferred pickup location and the date you will no longer require the book after. If you are looking for a specific edition and there is more than one version available, you can click here to see all versions. From this page, you can click on the title to view each version's details page. Library staff are here to help. If you require assistance, you can click on the Click to Chat button to open a live chat, or click on the Help tab at the top of the page on the search page to get chat help and research tips. For further help, contact the library at www.georgebrown.ca/library-learning-commons/contact.